Namaste JVS. I JVL Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, JVWU-Optimization. Today, I will discuss about the topic optimization technique. Optimization technique in pharmaceutical formulation. So, firstly, we start this topic. The first one is concept of optimization, and second one is parameters of optimization, and third one is optimization technique in pharmaceutical formulation and processing. So the concept of optimization, the term optimize is defined as to make perfect. In term of sentence, it is defined as choosing the best element from some set of available alternatives according to Merriam-Webster dictionary and optimization means an apt process or methodology of making something as a design system or a decision as a fully perfect, functional, or effective as possible, especially the mathematical procedure. The optimization is also defined as the process of finding the best values for the variable of a particular problem to minimize or maximize an objective function. It is used in pharmacy. Relative formulation and processing. It is involved in formulating a drug product in various forms. Final product not only meets the requirements from the bioavailability but also from the practical mass production criteria. It helps the pharmaceutical scientists to understand theoretical formulation and the target processing parameters, which ranges for each excipient and processing factors. So in development projects, one generally experiments by a series or logical steps carefully controlling the variables and changing one at a time until a satisfactory system is obtained. It is not a screening technique. Optimization is necessary because it reduces the cost, it provides safety and reduces the error, it provides innovations and efficacy, it saves the time. The parameters of optimization is divided into two main types, which is shown schematically, and optimization parameters. First one is problem type and second one is variables. Problem type is divided into two categories. First one is constrained, unconstrained, and dependent. Independent is divided into two categories, formulating and processing. So the problem type. There are two general types. There in the problem type of optimization technique, constrained, unconstrained, and constrained. These are the restrictions placed on the system by physical limitations or perhaps by simple practicality. An example is economical considerations. Unconstrained, here there are no restrictions. With the help of flowchart, we can predict these two problems type very easily. So the variables is mathematically they can be divided into two groups. First one is independent or primary variables. Dependent or secondary variables, independent or primary variables, information and process variables directly and control the formulator. So example is ingredients and mixing type for given process steps. So dependent or secondary variables, these are the responses or the characteristic of the in progress material or the resulting So if greater the variable in a given system, uh, then greater will be the complicated job of optimization. But regardless of the number of variables, there will be relationship between a given response and independent variables. Once we know this relationship for a given response, then we'll be able to define a response surface. So it involves application of calculus to basic problems for maximum minimum function and limited application for first problems. Those are not too complex and they do not involve more than two variables. For more than two variables, graphical representation is impossible, but it is possible mathematically. Optimization technique in pharmaceutical formulation and processing. Uh, Daming and King presented a general optimization technique. So, considering the change input and effect on output, the optimization techniques are categorized into 5 types. First one is evolutionary operations, and second one is complex method. Third one is Lagrangian method, and third one is Fresh method, and canonical analysis. So the evolutionary operation is the one of the most widely used method of experimental optimization in field other than pharmaceutical technology is the evolutionary operation. It is well suited to production situation. The basic idea is that the production procedure, formulation and process is allowed to evolve to the optimum by careful planning and constant repetition. So the method is this process is done in such a way that it produces a product that meets all specifications. Simultaneously, it generates information on product improvement. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the person 2.0, which will be the I hope you are satisfied with my discussion. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it your problem or the problem resolving box. Thank you.